The installation of Oracle VirtualBox is demonstrated on the Windows 11 operating system. If you're using a different operating system, please refer to the official installation documentation for your platform. Alternatively, you can choose not to install VirtualBox and instead install the software and tools mentioned in the lessons directly on your system. If a student decides not to use the recommended solution, virtual environment, and instead installs a development environment directly on their system, they must follow the official documentation for the respective products. Students can also use an online .NET Playground if they are unable to install or configure software on their system.